Today is a nice rainy day, so I'm going to do some work. And I thought I would share with you my first ever studio vlog in this aesthetic style. Today I'm going to show you my sketchbook. I made a bunch of sketches, just random sketches throughout the week, and I want to turn them into some sticker sheets. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I just sketched a bunch of different things. It's all very random, as you can see. Alright, and the rest of them are character sheets based upon themes. You might see some of the ones that you might see some that are already in my time-lapse videos. I like to do these character sheets as well. I'm really happy with them. So I scanned them and turned them into an Illustrator file, and I'm slowly going through and using the sketches as reference, as well as just outlining them so that I could get some nice vector graphics from them so that I can make these sticker sheets. It does take me a long time to do this. I think this particular sticker sheet, because of how many pages there are, it took me maybe 3 hours. I didn't outline all of the sketches. I just picked my favorite ones, and I really liked how many of these plant-based ones I did, and I was really feeling it and enjoying it. Didn't know what I was going to do for my sticker sheets, if this was going to be a sticker sheet that's for sale. Eventually, as I was creating these, I decided to make some freebies and give them out with any type of sale I make with my Etsy store. So I was really happy with that, and I decided that that's where I was going to go with these stickers. And so first I outlined them, of course, and then I started thinking up ways to theme them. And after working real hard, I decided to theme them as summer fun. But since a lot of these seem to be summer-based images, a lot of plants, a lot of picnic stuff, almost has a bit of a cottage chic, but not quite. But it does have that sort of feel to it, so I was really happy with it. I'm making my peanut butter one right now, and some candies and things. Not all of them made it to sticker sheets. I just was really wanting a bunch of these little doodles to be put into a nice vector graphic, and I was just having a lot of fun creating them. Maybe some of these will come out later on. This teddy bear is just adorable. I absolutely love it. Throughout the week, I've collected a lot of paper. I mean, a lot. And then a lot of sticker paper. Yep, I got a lot of sticker paper. So here are the sticker sheets for the freebies. I decided to do 2 petites. Petites are 2 inches by 3 inches, no. 2 inches by 4 inches, or 3 inches by 4 inches, or 4, one of the two. I can't remember anymore. I love my puppy. She needs belly rubs. Yeah. I had a nice little Japanese lunch, and then took some time to watch Mr. Robot on Amazon. It's one of my favorite shows right now. I actually watched it a lot as I was making these backing cards. Since I got new sticker paper, I also got some waterproof sticker paper, and I decided to create these backing cards for little stickers that I could put in little plastic envelopes. and I needed a lot of these because I had 100 waterproof sticker paper, and I really wanted to add them as an option in my store, as well as put them in my freebies. So my freebies kind of give you a little sample. Look at this big boy. Oh my god, he's thick. But I was putting these in my samples for my freebies, but then I also decided that I was going to make a set. So I went through and cut out 300 little backing cards, 25 pages with 300 total. It took a long time. I think I spent 3 days doing this and just bagging each of them. A lot of repetitive moves, a lot of binge watching Mr. Robot as I was doing this. I was just really happy, and I made a lot of these little freebie stickers, little waterproof stickers. I was really happy. I wanted them to be bigger than the planner sheets, but not so big that they just seem kind of chunky. So I was really happy. I started getting into the groove of things. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this. It's so much fun. I watched a lot of Mr. Robot. I did this over the course of 5 days total, or 7, I can't remember, but I'm gonna say 5 because that seems to be a nice number. Don't have much time. I work in the mornings and then I do this in the evenings. I was spending a lot of time working until like 2 or 3 in the morning. Since I worked 8 to 5, I don't really have much time to do this. So it took me a while, and I'm really happy with the process. Here it is. So here's my shop as it is now. I just finished cleaning up the albums so they're ready for sale. I'm considering doing the covers. So the covers are going to be put in once they're sold. So I know what cover to put in there, and I'm not having like more covers than what I need. So they're going to be printed on demand. And I did that. I finally did all 318 of the backing cards for my waterproof stickers. They're all individually packed now, and they're looking good. Yeah, waterproof stickers. So all 318. I printed up 300 yesterday because I only had 18 left, and so those are nice and ready. Haven't designed the waterproof stickers just yet, but I'm using stickers from the planner sheets and adding more as I go along. In this box we have our thank you gifts. I have 60 already packed and ready to go. I have these little Michael's office supplies for pictures and things if I want, and then some yarn and ribbon. I have thank you cards. I decided to use thank you cards that are about the same size as my gifts, but I printed out a bunch of them that weren't, so those are just going to be used. They are good enough to be put with the albums, so nice little thank you to go with the albums. And so I'm just going to keep them as they are, and then probably do a couple of 100 or so of the ones that are fitting for these, for the gifts, because I think it would look good to have a little thank you gift. And I'm considering just putting it like this or taping it to the other side so there's something on the back, so it's sort of like a package. Haven't really decided what to do about that just yet. It's almost perfect, the thank you card is almost perfect. I think I had the width a little bit off, but I think at the time I was thinking of doing sticker sheets, but it takes 4 of these per sticker sheet, and I didn't really want to waste the paper because the paper can be a little bit on the expensive side. I have these 4x6 backing cards, so when I get stickers, I put a little backing card, and then I put the stickers on it, and then I will do the little gift and the thank you card, and I'll put it in a cellophane wrapper so it all stays waterproof, and then I will wrap it up with some paper here, some nice tissue paper, and then put it in these note cards. These are 4x6 card envelopes, and then I can just put a little shipping label on it and send it out. I need boxes for if someone orders a album or 2, so I need to get some boxes for my next payday because I want them to be able to sell. I can't fit those in those envelopes. So I have that as my next order of business. And then I have my beautiful sticker sheets all nicely organized in these photo organizational bins. Oh my god, I love this thing. And I'm already wanting to do artist alleys one day to be able to just pick this up and take it with me. It'd be nice if I could fit everything in them, all of my little branding stickers, my thank you gifts. I know thank you gifts are perfect, that I can put 2 side by side into one of those little picture bins. So we will see what happens with that later on. I have these Be Happy stickers that they're waterproof stickers. They're on the more expensive side of things, but I'm not very happy with the coloring or the quality of them. They cut out very wonky. I don't know what was up with my machine that day. I also have these, which I was going to use for the thank you cards. I was going to have just standard thank you cards and then little notes that say making new friends, and it shows my social media platforms. The same thing with these fake business cards, because I want to make more friends on these platforms, but yeah, I just didn't like the idea that much. So when I made the thank you cards, I put it on the bottom, and it just feels a little bit more cleaner. And I just don't want to clutter up things too much when it comes to giving away people their merchandise and doing things like that. So that's the update. We have this beautiful table nicely filled with my little shop things. It looks so great now that it's all nicely organized. I was feeling a little bit out of sorts, but I'm glad I took the time to really organize my stash and show you guys how it looks right now. This is about a week's worth of really hardcore planning. I can't wait to see what the next few months bring.